Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by unboxing the Chromecast with Google TV and gathering the included accessories. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your television. Connect the USB power cable to the Chromecast and to the supplied power adapter, then plug into wall power. Power your television and switch to the matching HDMI input. Ensure your router broadcasts to 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi that the Chromecast can join. Sign into a Google account on your phone and keep the phone near the Chromecast for setup. Open the Google Home app on your phone to begin device setup. Tap the Add button, then select Setup Device and choose New Device in your home. Google Home will scan and show the Chromecast model. Tap to pair using the displayed code. Confirm the code matches the TV screen and continue. Select your home name and the room where the device lives. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect the Chromecast successfully. To cast, open a supported app on your phone, tablet, or laptop and tap the cast icon to select Chromecast with Google TV. Use the included voice remote for navigation, playback control, and Google Assistant voice searches. Adjust TV volume with the remote or pair Bluetooth speakers in the Chromecast settings. For screen mirroring, open Cast from Device Settings and select Mirror Device. If you lose Wi-Fi, reboot the Chromecast or the router first. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset from Settings or hold the Reset button until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.